Nespresso Vertuo Pop Plus versus Nespresso Vertuo Plus. Both pull the same Vertuo pods, both give you that thick crema. So the real question is whether the pricier Vertuo Plus actually earns the extra money, or if the cheaper Pop Plus covers what most people need at home. Pay up for the bigger tank and motorized head, or save it and get basically the same cup. Let's make it clear.
Coffee in the cup. That's the whole point. Both of these run the same Vertuo capsule system. Same barcode reader, same centrifusion spin, so the base extraction is identical. Thick crema, full body, that signature Vertuo layer of foam on top. Where they actually differ is brew temperature. The Pop Plus has a reputation for pulling slightly cooler shots, which a few owners flag, especially if you like your espresso scorching. The Vertuo Plus, by contrast, runs noticeably hotter. There's one comment that stuck with me from someone who upgraded after their old Vertuo Next sprung a leak, and the first thing they pointed out was the hotter brew on the Plus, and how it lifted the flavor. Small thing, but if you drink it black, you feel it. For straight up taste and crema, they're a tie.
For temperature, the Plus has the edge. Now, daily ergonomics. This is where the price gap starts to show up. The Vertuo Plus has a motorized head that opens and closes by itself when you press the lever. You drop the pod, push, the machine takes over. The Pop Plus is fully manual. Lift, lock, twist, brew. For most people, that's fine. Takes 2 seconds. But there's a review from someone with muscular dystrophy who flagged that locking the Pop Plus properly takes real hand pressure. And that's not the only person to mention it. If you have any wrist or grip issues, that motorized head on the Plus is genuinely worth it. For everyone else, it's a nice to have, not a deal breaker. Both heat up in under 30 seconds. Both are one-button operations once the pod's in. Footprint. Here's where the Pop Plus swings back. It's compact, slim, fits under low cabinets without drama, and the water tank sits on the side, so you can tuck it almost anywhere. The Vertuo Plus is straight up the biggest Nespresso most reviewers have ever seen on a counter. Yes, the tank swivels, you can position it left, right, or back to fit your space, which is clever, but the body itself is bulkier. If your kitchen is tight, an apartment, a dorm, a rental with shallow uppers, the Pop Plus is the one that actually fits your life. The Plus needs a real home. Water tank. This one's not close. The Plus carries around 60 ounces, the Pop Plus around 25. If you and a partner both pull a couple of mugs in the morning, the Pop Plus tank empties fast. One reviewer running the larger mug pods got about 3 coffees before a refill. The Plus, you fill maybe twice a week and forget about it. For a single user doing 1 cup a day, the Pop Plus is fine. For a household or anyone who hates that little chore of refilling, the Plus is a different experience. On cleaning, both are basically the same drill. Rinse cycle, descale when the light tells you, wipe the pod area. The one thing worth knowing, the Plus has a barcode sensor ring around the pod holder that builds up gunk over time, especially in hard water areas. And if you skip wiping it, the machine starts misreading pods. Owners who keep up with it have 0 issues. Skip it and you'll think the machine's broken when it's just dirty. Cup sizes. The Pop Plus actually gives you 5 preset sizes, including the 12-ounce mug. The Plus officially does 4, topping out at 8 ounces in the standard config, though the barcode on each pod sets the volume anyway. Both pour over ice, both handle espresso through Alto-style pods. For iced latte people making coffee shop drinks at home, either one delivers. Honestly, on this one, it's a wash. Price and value. They sit in different brackets. The Pop Plus comes in noticeably cheaper and goes on sale more often, especially around the bigger shopping events and in the limited edition colors. The Vertuo Plus costs more and holds its price more steadily, with the occasional bundled promo that throws in the Arancino frother. What you're paying extra for on the Plus is real and tangible. Bigger tank, motorized head, hotter brew, larger pod bin. What you're not paying extra for is better coffee in the cup, because the capsule does that work, and the capsule is the same. So the question becomes how much those daily life upgrades matter to you. And that depends entirely on your kitchen, your routine, and how many cups a day this thing actually pulls. Here's the call. The Vertuo Plus. For me, the hotter brew, the bigger tank, and the motorized head add up to a machine that's just easier to live with day to day. Same coffee in the cup, better experience around it. That said, if your kitchen is tight or you're the only one drinking coffee, the Pop Plus is the smarter buy, no question. And if you've got any wrist or grip issues, straight up, don't fight the Pop Plus lock, get the Plus. The Pop Plus tends to drop more often, especially around the bigger sales and limited colors, so worth waiting if budget's the call. And you, which one would you pick? Let me know in the comments. Both linked below with the current price.